What's the meaning of Crown Prosecutor? Crown Prosecutor. Crown Prosecutor.
Crown Prosecutor. Crown Prosecutor. A Crown Prosecutor is a lawyer who works for the government and is responsible for prosecuting criminal cases on behalf of the state or Crown. They act as the legal representative of the Crown in criminal proceedings, presenting evidence and arguing the case against the accused person. The Crown Prosecutor is responsible for ensuring that justice is served in accordance with the law. They are highly skilled and knowledgeable lawyers who play a crucial role in the criminal justice system. Their work requires a deep understanding of the law, excellent analytical skills, and effective communication abilities.